Hey everyone, it's Andy with BarChefs.com. Today I'm showing you the 6-foot LED rolling portable bar. This bar has dual zone color control, so you can change the front and the sides independently from the top. It's made with a cast aluminum and acrylic frame, so it's very strong. It's built to hold up. All the panels are removable via a few screws in the top track here, and you can slide those out and take them to your local shop for branding. When you want to change the color, you just use the remote, and you got every and any color on demand. You just point and click. You can do blue-green combinations, all green, for example, or change it to red. Whatever color you want, it's in there and ready to go. You've also got some automatic color change programs that will allow you to flash and fade on demand. So you can hit the fade button there, and then on the top, I'll show you the jump combination. And you can also adjust the speed of these, so if they're a little too fast or slow, you just hit that speed control, slow it down a little bit, do it to where you like it. There are also some DIY combination features that allow you to fine-tune the colors, RGB values, so if you're trying to hit that perfect shade, you can do that as well. You've got brightness control on each section, so if you need to adjust that, you can do so. The bar is equipped with fully locking casters on the bottom. When I say fully locking, that means you can lock the wheel, and you can also lock the swivel so that it doesn't rotate and all four casters are engaged. If you come around to the back side, you'll see that we've integrated shelving into the unit. So you can see the website for more information on the dimensions. These are nice and strong, so you can really load them down. The plug-in is located up under the unit. If you have more questions about this unit, just call us at 865-973-1660. Be sure to check out all of our social media sites like Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. You can find us on any of those by entering a /BarChefs at the end. We look forward to helping you, and as always, be sure to check out the website for the latest information at BarChefs.com.